This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Ben Crawford. Wonderful recently updated one-level home with county-only taxes. Home offers 3-bedroom/2.5 bath with recent updates including brand new roof, kitchen and baths renovated 1 year ago, LVP floor coverings throughout 1 year ago, new water heater, and brand new addition with separate entrance and half bath perfect for home office. Home also features lovely front covered porch and over 400 square feet covered back patio overlooking large level backyard. This home will go fast. For more information, review the details below or contact Ben Crawford at 865-342-4200.